Hello, in front of me I've got INFINIX Note 12. In this video I'll show you how to connect Pendrive to the smartphone. In the beginning, make sure that your Pendrive has a USB-C stick and then simply plug it to charging port in your smartphone. Now go to Settings and enable OTG connection. Now you can go to Files app . And your pendrive is available on the bottom of the list. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.